Morning students and welcome to geography class. Dear students, we are learning about the monsoon mechanism. No? We have learned the meaning of the term monsoon. What is monsoon? We know it is a wind. And there are two types of monsoon in India. Summer monsoon or the southwest monsoon. Okay, then we are going to learn about a retreating monsoon. And also we are having winter monsoon. Okay, so please remember what is monsoon. And we have learned about the reason for the origin of this wind, origin and the arrival of the monsoon to India. Due to high temperature and pressure difference, there is the origin of a wind from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. And these winds, southwest monsoon has two branches, Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch, Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, these winds will move towards India and will shed moisture. Okay, already we have know it is originating from the seas, water bodies, due to pressure difference. And while moving to India, these winds picks up more moisture and shedding on the land. This is the reason for the monsoon. Okay, this is our monsoon season. And we will learn about the features of the southwest monsoon. But before that, we will learn the retreating monsoon. What is retreating monsoon? Here the picture, direction of the winds during the retreating monsoon, direction of the wind. So southwest monsoon, no. Okay, then what is retreating monsoon? Okay, you will learn retreating. The word retreating means moving back or away or withdrawing. That is a word meaning of retreat. In simple words, retreating means withdrawal. So withdrawal of southwest monsoon. Winds from skies of North India during the month of October and November is known as the retreating monsoon. Once again, in the months of October, November, so there is a withdrawal of a wind from the mainland of India, and this is known as the retreating monsoon due to pressure difference between the land and the sea. Okay, so this is known as the retreating monsoon. Okay, so by 1st September, with the apparent movement of the sun towards south, a low pressure is in central India starts weakening. During the southwest monsoon, we know that one, no? So on the land there is low pressure and over the sea there is high pressure. We know that in the direction. And here low pressure is central India starts weakening and is no longer able to attract the monsoon winds towards land due to the movement of the sun. So there is the difference of where there is a change of temperature, and this temperature difference will cause pressure difference also, and this is the reason for the retreating monsoon. During autumn equinox, when the sun shines directly over the equator, the high pressure begins to build over mainland. Okay, please remember. Okay, September, October, there is high pressure on the land. Okay, the high pressure begins to build over mainland and subsequently with a low pressure over the sea. Okay, listen. During this month, September last, October, November, there is, okay, here listen, high pressure begins to build over mainland and subsequently with a low pressure over the sea. Southwest monsoon begins to withdraw from mainland of India. So in class 9 we have learned about the various winds, and we have learned the reason for the winds also. Temperature difference will cause pressure difference between places, and this pressure difference is the reason for the movement of the air. Okay, so please remember monsoon. No, monsoon already we have learned. Please remember, it is a seasonal wind. What is a seasonal wind? Monsoon is a seasonal wind. Okay. And this wind is coming to India, and then there is a withdrawal. The withdrawal of the southwest monsoon is a much slower process than in the beginning. It is just the reversal of the process. As this southwest monsoon had traveled towards the north, now it retreats towards the south. This process starts in October and is over by the end of November. No? October, November, 2 months. There is retreating monsoon. By the end of September, the southwest monsoon withdraws from then by October from central India, and finally by the end of November from the South India. The retreating monsoon causes rain in coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, the eastern coast, the south of Krishna Delta, and the interior of district Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh mainly. Okay, so retreating monsoon. What is retreating monsoon? It is a wind, that is moving from India towards the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal due to pressure difference. And this may cause rainfall in some areas, especially Tamil Nadu in the month of October, November. Okay. Then features of the southwest monsoon. Features of the retreating monsoon and tropical depression. Retreating monsoon. So features we are going to learn. The retreat of monsoon take place due to the migration of sun towards the south and withdrawal of the southwest monsoon. As the sun no longer shines directly over the Tropic of Cancer, the low pressure weakens the decreasing temperatures, giving way to high pressure on land and low pressure on the surrounding seas. What is the main reason for the retreating monsoon? The movement of the sun and the temperature difference between the land and the sea, and the same time there is a pressure difference between the land and the sea. This is the reason for the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon. It is known as the retreating southwest monsoon. Retreating, withdrawal of the southwest monsoon due to pressure difference between the land and the sea. Then you can ask one question, why there is pressure difference? Because of the movement of the sun. So there is temperature difference between the land and the sea. This is causing the pressure difference and the movement of the air towards oceans or the sea. Thus, it is a transition period between the hot rainy season and the cold dry season in the months of October and November. The beginning of the, beginning of this one, which one? The winter season, The transition period is marked by occurrence of tropical depressions, cyclonic rainfall depression, which travel across the country in west to northwest direction. Generally, originating over the Bay of Bengal and nearly in the Arabian Sea. Whenever they occur, they cause tremendous loss of life and property due to heavy rains, usually on the eastern coastal regions of India. That I will explain. During the retreating monsoon, there is the occurrence of cyclonic depression. What is a cyclonic depression? In the next video, I will explain. This is a short video, so please watch the video, listen and mark some points. Thank you.